रिकॉर्डिंग पार्ट। और ये नहीं बताना होता कि हम कहाँ से हैं। जैसे आप कभी कभी ऐसे एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट डालते हो, गुड मॉर्निंग, आई एम द चार्ज नर्स एट जनरल प्रैक्टिस, ये सब नहीं बोलना होता। वो जनरल प्रैक्टिस में आया है, वो नर्स सेटिंग में आया है, उसको पता है। मतलब अगर आपको आई एम वन ऑफ द नर्सेज एट मायो क्लिनिक, तो वो मायो क्लिनिक में आया, उसको पता है मायो क्लिनिक है, तो ये कभी नहीं बोलना होता नाम, वो आपको कंफ्यूज करता है सिर्फ। डोंट स्पीक दैट नेम। सो से गुड मॉर्निंग, माय नेम इज भूपेश, आई एम वन ऑफ द चार्ज नर्सेज ओवर हियर, how can I help you? One of the nurses over here, how can I help you? Well, nurse, see, the thing has happened that my kid was playing and this stuff happened and this. Okay, so could you please explain me the incident, that how exactly it happened? तो वो बता चुका होगा आपको. Okay, so what I can do now first of all I need to clean the wound and dress the wound, and that he will need, and also I would like to tell you that he will be requiring a tetanus injection. तो वट एवर द रिएक्शन इज आई विल रिस्पॉन्ड अकॉर्डिंगली. जैसे मैं अब आपकी तरफ देख के बोल रहा हूँ, मैं आपकी तरफ देख के नहीं बोल रहा, ये आपको लग रहा है, पर मैं एक्चुअल में इस कार्ड को देख के बोल रहा हूँ. वट आई एम सेइंग, मेरे लिए इस कार्ड से इंपॉर्टेंट कोई नहीं है. जैसे एक आज से जब मैंने पढ़ाना शुरू किया था OET, आज से 6 years पहले, 6.5 years पहले, 6 years के बाद एक मैम आए थे, मतलब 6 months के बाद एक मैम आए थे, जसप्रीत, शी इज नाउ इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया. आई होप शायद वो भी कभी ये रिकॉर्डिंग देखे तो उनको जरूर याद आएगा. वो क्या करती थी, वो कभी ऊपर देखती नहीं थी, वो सिर्फ ऐसे देखती थी नीचे, और वो ना कोई मॉडिफिकेशन भी नहीं करती थी ज्यादा. सी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यहीं से पढ़ती थी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई नीड टू क्लीन योर वुंड एंड देन आई नीड टू ड्रेस इट, इज इट ओके विद यू, बस ये छोटा सा लाइन. ओके, सो आफ्टर दैट आई वुड बी रिक्वायरिंग टू गिव यू अ टेटनस इंजेक्शन एज वेल. फिर वो कहेंगे, फिर वो पेशेंट बोलेगा, चाइल्ड, see your child needs tetanus injection immediately if he does not receive it as a part, if because so first of all I would like to ask you question whether he has received tetanus injection in the past. तो वो patient बोलेगा ना, so he needs tetanus injection because if he has not received in the past of childhood vaccination program, that means he requires now, and as it is a deep wound and also foreign bodies might be present in that, so it is very important to give him the tetanus injection right now. अब पेरेंट की रिएक्शन होगी कि नहीं, चाइल्ड हैव इट नाउ एंड वॉर्न अबाउट द पोटेंशियल रिस्क ऑफ द टेटनस. हाँ, so see, I know that it's really hard for the parents to see a child in pain and especially to get an injection, but this is very important at this point of time because there are potential risk of tetanus. It is a fatal disease and may cause seizures and can lead to muscle stiffness, lockjaw, or even can lead to difficulty in breathing. So I'm afraid to say that he requires an injection urgently, and that is very important. For any kind of support, I am here. You can ask me any questions, whatever you may have even now. Well, nurse, I do not have question. It's just I'm worried about injection. वो repeat कर सकता है. See, I have already told you that there are potential risk of tetanus. So it is much important for the injection to be given at this moment. After giving the injection, explain the okay. हमेशा जब भी injection दे दिया है तो इस line को हमेशा ये बोलो, okay. Now I have administered the injection. कभी नाम मत लो क्योंकि आप गलती से टेटनस इंजेक्शन बोलोगे और ये टॉक्सोइड होता है. सो डोंट स्पीक द नेम. नाउ आई हैव गिवन द डिसीजन एंड योर चाइल्ड विल बी सेफ. और आपका चाइल्ड बिल्कुल सेफ होगा क्योंकि अब उसको कोई भी साइड इफेक्ट वो नहीं होगा. सॉरी, एंड योर चाइल्ड विल बी सेफ नाउ. अब बिल्कुल ठीक रहेगा. ओके, so after giving the action, explain the rare. And also I would like to mention one more thing for the sake of your knowledge, that there can be rare and mild side effects like feeling achy, tired, or mild nausea, or even lightheadedness. So do not worry about it. But if there is any symptom that is aggressive, then you should, or severe, then you should contact the hospital immediately. But otherwise there can be some mild side effects and you don't have to worry about that. So छोटी सी बात कैसे पूछनी होती है, is it okay? बस छोटा सा, ये छोटी सी वर्ड होता है जो बिल्कुल ठीक रहता है. इज इट ओके और शुड आई रिपीट? बस इसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं. ओईटी में बिल्कुल कोई शफल, यही तो ओईटी की सबसे अच्छी बात है, राइटिंग में भी और स्पीकिंग में भी. डू नॉट ओवर ट्राई, कुछ भी ओवर ट्राई नहीं करना. बिल्कुल सिंपल बोलना है, जो दिया है उसको वैसे के वैसे. ये आपके मन का डाउट हो सकता है कि यार मैंने तो पैराफ्रेजिंग नहीं किया, मैंने तो मुश्किल नहीं बोला, मुझे मार्क्स क्यों देगा 350. जितना सिंपल बोलेंगे उतने अच्छे मार्क्स आएंगे. कोई बहुत ज्यादा पैराफ्रेजिंग नहीं, कोई ऊपर देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. जो आपको अगर ऊपर देख के कंफर्टेबल लगता है, अगर वो आपका बोलने का तरीका है नेचुरल इंग्लिश का, देन इट्स अ डिफरेंट पार्ट. नहीं तो अगर मेरे जैसा मैं तो ऐसे ही बोलूंगा. सो मैंने ये रोल प्ले आपके साथ पढ़ लिया, मेरे लिए बोलना बिल्कुल आसान है अगर मुझे पूरा भी करना हो. गुड मॉर्निंग, माय नेम इज भूपेश, आई एम द चार्ज नर्स हियर. oh, I could see your child is in pain, so could you please tell me what happened? Then parents will explain, see, he was going through a nail health. Oh my god, in that case, see, I have to clean the wound and dress it as soon as possible, and also I would like to give him a tetanus injection. I hope it's okay with you. Oh, well, nurse, injection, it will cause a lot of pain. See, I understand that it's always difficult for the parents to see the child in pain and about this injection as well. But this injection is to be given immediately, especially when he has not received tetanus in the childhood vaccination program. So now I need to know, have you vaccinated him before for the tetanus? Well, no, nurse, we did not. See, as I was mentioning earlier, that he would be requiring the injection immediately, because otherwise it is a deep wound and foreign bodies may be present in that particular nail and may cause infection. So tetanus is a very fatal disease, and for that this injection is necessary to be given. Well, nurse, still I feel really doubtful. I still feel, it can be really, bad on my child. It may leave a permanent memory. No, तब ऐसी जगह पे जब वो कन्विंस से बाहर चला जाता है. No, there is nothing like that. You don't have to worry. I assure you for the best services, and it is the best thing to be given. So please allow me to have it now. And if you will not have injection, then there can be other major side effects, which I have already told you, that first can be fatal disease, and it can lead to seizures even. There can be muscle stiffness or lockjaw, or even can be difficulty in breathing. So please allow me to give this injection. For any doubt, you may ask me again. So can I give the injection now? Well, okay, nurse, you can give the injection. Okay. So I have given the injection, and now your child is absolutely safe. And I want to tell you few side effects of the injection that may happen, but these are very rare and very mild. So you don't have to worry. So there can be little tiredness, mild fatigue, or even lightheadedness can be there, but you don't have to worry about anything, because it is the common side effects. And these are very mild and rare, which I would like to repeat. So I hope it's okay. So do you have any other query? Any question that you might have to ask? All right then. Thank you very much. And your son would be fine, and take care of yourself and your son. And if you confront any issue, or if you face any problem, feel free to contact the hospital at any time. I'm giving you this leaflet. It contains all the information regarding the tetanus, as well as the injection that has been given. But if you would have any doubt, you can contact the hospital anytime, and we assure you for the best services, or whatever you speak in your general terms. So this is the only thing that you need to speak, and you don't have to make it. और आपको बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं बोलना